Be your own boss in 2025 step-by-step guide to starting your dream business. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind? Learn how to start working for yourself in 2025 with these fun, actionable steps. Have you ever dreamed of working for yourself, setting your own schedule, and being your own boss? In this video, I will show you how to make that dream a reality in 2025. Whether you're thinking about freelancing, launching a business, or turning your passion into profit, I will break down every step you need to take. Here is what you will learn. How to define your business idea and test it quickly. Strategies to manage your time and stay productive without a boss. Solutions to overcome financial challenges when starting out. How to build a strong support network to keep you motivated. Plus, I will share real-life examples, fun stories, and tips to make the journey exciting and manageable. Stick around till the end, and I will show you how my coaching program can give you personalized guidance on becoming your own boss. Let us make 2025 your breakthrough year. Imagine yourself standing in a bright, cozy workspace with upbeat music playing in the background. Hey friends, ever dreamed of being your own boss? Working when you want, doing what you love, and finally saying goodbye to those awkward Monday morning meetings. Well, guess what? 2025 is your year. I am Eric, and today we are diving into how you can work for yourself, overcome the challenges, and build something truly amazing, whether it is a freelance gig, an online business, or turning your passion into profit. Plus, stick around till the end, because I will share how you can get personalized help through my coaching program to kickstart your journey. Let us do this. Section 1. Defining your business idea. Imagine yourself brainstorming on a whiteboard, working on different ideas like baking, graphic design, or coding. The problem, the first hurdle when starting to work for yourself, is figuring out what you actually want to do. With so many options, it is easy to feel overwhelmed or doubt if your idea is good enough. The solution: one, identify what you are good at. Start by listing your skills, hobbies, and passions. What do people often ask you for help with? That is a clue. For example, Sarah loved baking, and people always raved about her cookies. She started selling them at local markets, and within months, she had a thriving business. Solution: to find a problem to solve. Successful businesses solve problems. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve for others? The bigger the problem, the more valuable your solution. For example, Mike noticed small businesses in his town needed help with social media. He offered affordable social media management services, and now he is his own boss. Solution 3. Test your idea quickly. Before investing too much time or money, test your idea. Offer your service to a few people and get feedback. Here is a humorous tip. Think of it like trying a new recipe. You would not bake 100 cupcakes without testing one first, right? Your call to action. If you need help brainstorming or validating your idea, join my coaching program, where we'll work together to find your perfect business idea. Section 2. Managing time and staying productive. Scene: you working at a desk, visuals of a daily planner. Someone setting goals and cutaways to distractions, like social media. The problem: when you work for yourself, there is no boss telling you what to do. That sounds great until you realize, now you have to manage your time. Without structure, it is easy to procrastinate or feel overwhelmed. The solution? Create a daily schedule. Set clear working hours and stick to them. Treat it like a job, because it is. For example, Rachel, a freelance writer, starts her day at 9 a.m. and finishes by 3 p.m. By having a set routine, she stays productive and still has time for family. Solution: to use time blocking. Time blocking means dedicating specific blocks of time to different tasks. This helps you stay focused and avoid multitasking. Here is a humorous tip. It's like when you promise yourself you'll watch just one episode on Netflix, but with time blocking, you actually stop after one. Solution 3. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications, set boundaries with family and friends, and create a workspace that helps you focus. For example, Mike turns off his phone during work hours and uses noise-canceling headphones to stay focused. Your call to action. If staying productive feels like a challenge, check out my coaching program. I will help you create a productivity plan that works for you. Section 3. Overcoming financial challenges. Imagine yourself reviewing a budget, saving money, and making your first sale. The problem, one of the scariest parts of working for yourself, is dealing with money. Without a steady paycheck, managing finances can feel overwhelming. The solutions start with a financial cushion. Before you take the leap, save up at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This gives you breathing room while you get your business off the ground. For example, Alex saved up 6 months of expenses before starting his freelance web design business. This safety net helped him stay calm and focused. Solution to diversify your income: do not rely on just one client or revenue stream. Explore multiple income sources like freelancing, digital products, or consulting. Here is a humorous tip. Think of it like pizza toppings. Sure, plain cheese is great, but adding pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives makes it way better. Solution 3. Track your expenses. Keep a close eye on your spending. Use apps or spreadsheets to track every dollar. This helps you stay on budget and avoid surprises. For example, Rachel uses a simple spreadsheet to track her income and expenses. By knowing exactly where her money goes, she avoids unnecessary stress. Your call to action: want help creating a financial plan for your business? Join my coaching program, where we will build a step-by-step roadmap to financial freedom. Section 4. Building a strong support network. Imagine yourself talking with a mentor. Click the link in the description below to access my self-paced mastermind course and online communities. The problem: working for yourself can feel lonely. Without coworkers or a boss, it is easy to feel isolated. The solution: find a mentor. A mentor who has been through it can provide guidance, encouragement, and advice. For example, Mike found a mentor through LinkedIn who helped him navigate the ups and downs of freelancing. Solution to join a community: whether it is an online group or a local meet, being part of a community keeps you motivated and connected. Solution 3. Build your own network. Reach out to like-minded individuals. Collaborate, share ideas, and grow together. Here is a humorous tip. Remember, even superheroes form teams. Avengers. Anyone. Your call to action: looking for a supportive community? Join my coaching group, where you will connect with others on the same journey. Imagine yourself smiling, with upbeat music playing in the background. This can be all possible right now. Click the link in the description below and get started today. So, if you are ready to be your own boss in 2025, remember, it's all about taking small, consistent steps. Define your idea, manage your time, handle your finances, and build a support network. And hey, you do not have to do it alone. My coaching services offer personalized guidance, masterclasses, and a supportive community to help you every step of the way. Click the link below to learn more and sign up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little inspiration. Thanks for watching. You got this.